We have made our NLP project based on the Allen NLP. Allen NLP is deep learning library for NLP. Allen Institute for AI, which is one of the leading research organization of AI, develops this PyTorch based library. With the help of Allen NLP, we can develop any model in an easier way. Let's look on our project. First of all, we have installed the Allen NLP with the pip command, and then in the pip command after that we have installed the predictors from the predictor library, and we have provided the path where the predictor is stored. The predictor is actually stored in the Amazon AWS, so we have provided the link and we stored it in the predictor. And also we have imported the widgets, which is basically used in the Colab to get the UI, to get the answer properly. So after that, here we have created a simple form which accepts passage and the question. Here we have to enter the passage here. So let's enter a passage. I have already took a passage from the Wikipedia. The passage is mostly on India. So let's copy this passage and paste it on the text box. So here I have pasted the passage and you can see it is stored on the passage variable. Now let's ask questions. I have found out some few questions from this passage. Let's ask one by one all the 5 questions. So here I copied first question and pasted here. So as you can see, whatever I pasted in that UI, it get automatically stored in the passage and the question. Now let's run all the cells first. Now what the result and the predictor is used for. Here the passage and the question variables are used to store the input from the user and result, and with the help of predictor library we are taking the passage as the input and question also as input, and we are passing it to the predictor library and storing the result in the result variable. And then here I have created a button where on clicking the button we will get the answer, and this answer is made by using other function in the predictor library, which is result best span str, and on clicking on the answer we will get our answer of the question we have asked. So it's 55,000 years ago. So let's check the answer in the passage. When did modern humans arrive on Indian subcontinent from Africa? So here is the answer. Modern humans arrived on the Indian subcontinent from Africa no later than 55,000 years ago. So let's ask second question. What is the rank of India in terms of population? So here we'll copy paste the question in our question field, and again we will run all the cells individually. So let's run one by one. And now on clicking on the answer we will get our answer as second most. Now let's verify the answer. What is the rank of India in terms of population? So the rank of India in terms of population, you can find it here. Yes, India, it is the second most populous country. Here is the answer. As you can see, we are getting the correct answer from the passage. And now let's ask third question. As you can see, we are getting the correct answer. Now let's ask the third question. Which languages were supplanted in the northern regions? Copy paste the question in the UI and passing the question to the question variable. Now again running all the cells individually, and now clicking on the answer button. On clicking on the answer, you can see the answer is Dravidian languages of India. Which languages were supplanted in the northern regions? It is the Dravidian languages in India. Let's verify the answer first. Let's find the answer where it is. Okay, here is the answer. The Dravidian languages of India were supplanted in the northern regions. So as you can see, the answer was correct. Now let's ask another question. India has disputes with which countries? So let's copy paste the question in our UI and ask the system about the answer for this question. Okay, sorry. So here again running individually all the cells, and on clicking on the answer we will get our answer as neighbors Pakistan and China. Now let's search for the answer in the passage. India has disputes with which countries? So here is the answer. India has these disputes with China and Pakistan. Neighbors as Pakistan and China. So the answer was correct, but as this is a training model, it is still under development. It is 80% in this Allen NLP gives 80% or 90% of the answers to be correct. Now let's ask another questions. The question is, who put down roots on India's southern and western coast? Now we will run all the individual cells again, and on clicking on the answer we will find that it is giving the answer as Zoroastrianism. Okay, giving only one answer, but in the passage you can see here, in the early medieval area there were 4 religions who put down roots on India's southern and western coast, but our system is giving the answer as only Zoroastrianism. So there are some of the drawbacks in the system which is to be solved till now, but mostly 90% of the answers are given correct by this system. Thank you.